Today we'll be covering how to change your alarm settings on your VS5 monitor from Vital Signs Technologies. First, press the menu button. Roll the knob to highlight Parameter Alarm Limit. Press the knob. Roll the knob to highlight the desired parameter to change. For demonstration purposes, we will highlight the heart rate. Press the knob. Roll the knob to highlight the desired parameter to change. For demonstration purposes, we will change the high alarm. Press the knob. Roll the knob to the value desired. Press the knob. Roll the knob back to the parameter list and press the knob. Repeat as necessary to change all desired alarm parameters. Once completed, roll the knob to highlight Apply. Press the knob. To exit, roll the knob to OK. Press the knob. Roll the knob to highlight Exit. Press the knob. Your alarms have now been changed.